No Facebook, no YouTube, no social media required whatsoever. Today, I will be going over a strategy that will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars on complete autopilot with ease. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world, even if you've never made a dime online at all up to this point. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I will be showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing using several different platforms from which you can choose from. And as you have heard, this doesn't involve social media whatsoever. And I will show you a traffic source that will literally allow you to reach thousands of people with ease. With that said, the main two platforms I recommend for finding affiliate offers are clickbank.com and digistore24.com. Whichever one you pick won't matter whatsoever, as they are both affiliate marketplaces that will allow you to promote a variety of different products in varying niches, and so both would allow you to get paid. Now, I personally would recommend Digistore24, and I will be going along with Digistore24 as well in this video, simply because ClickBank isn't available everywhere around the globe, and this is a worldwide available strategy as I promised you. But once again, if you prefer ClickBank and it's available in your country, you can go along with it most definitely. Anyways, what you need to do when you first come onto one of these two websites is create an account. To do so on Digistore24, just click on Register Now in the upper right corner, or you can click on Start Now, it's free to sign up. Either way, what you now need to do is select Affiliate here, since we'll be working as affiliates obviously. Enter in your username, email address, password, select your gender right here, enter in your first and last names. Since you most likely won't have a company, you will leave this field blank. Enter in your address, phone number, and then tick this box here signaling you agree to their privacy policy. And finally, just click on Register for free now to finish the process. I will now go along and log into my account, and I'll show you what you'll come across when you do and what you need to do from there. Okay, so this is how everything looks once you create your brand new account. You will be able to see your revenue right here, which for the time being will be 0, of course, but that'll change real soon. Now, to access the marketplace and see what offers there are for you to promote, you just need to click on Marketplace here and then on All Offers on the affiliate marketplace. It's on this very page where you will find what you want to promote. And Digistore24 has an array of different categories and niches for you to choose from. It has products relating to animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, and so on. And guys, that isn't the best part about Digistore24. The best part is that they offer you insane commissions. Most of the time, they're at a minimum of 50%, but can go up to as much as 90%. So you can make a ton of money from a very small amount of people, as you can see from these products right here. This product has a commission of 85% and a price of $180, as is seen below. And right here, you can see that for just a single sale, I'll be earning over $100. So, as I said, this pays off big time, and this product is not the exception whatsoever. In any case, for the sake of this video, guys, I will be going for a product in the weight loss niche. To grab your affiliate link for a specific product, all you gotta do is click on Promote Now right here. And I've done just that with this particular product, and all I need to do now is just click here to copy the link, and we will now be moving over to the second platform in this video. That platform is called PLR.com. PLR, as some of you may know, stands for Product Label Rights. And on this site, you can find free PLR articles, as you can see up here. And I know you might be confused as to what articles have to do with this, but it will all make sense soon. I promise. Anyways, PLR articles are basically articles with which you can do anything, as is seen right here. Can it be used as web content? Yes. Can it be given away or sold? Yes. Can you put your name on it as the author? Yes. So as you can see, you can literally do anything with these articles. And as you can see up here, there are over 100,000 of them to choose from in varying niches. You can see on the right-hand side here what niches this website offers you. You've got articles on affiliate marketing, American history, astronomy, and so on. There are just so many for you to choose from. Now, what category you will want to open depends on the type of product you picked on either Digistore24 or ClickBank. If your product is, for example, in the sports niche, you will want to find articles relating to sports. If it's a business product, you will want to find articles relating to business, and so on. As you know, my product is in the weight loss category, and so that's precisely what I opened up. When you open your desired category, not only will you now come across articles that you can use whenever and however you want to without fear of copyright problems, but they actually rated them for you, so you can choose and pick ones that are the best. I'll just use this highest rated one as an example. What you now need to do is copy the article itself and the title and paste both into any editing program. In my case, it's Microsoft Word, as you can see. And when you paste the article in your desired software, you will now want to add your affiliate link somewhere in there. And since I'm in the weight loss niche, I wrote, "Best products for losing weight." And so when someone reads this, not only will they get information on how to lose weight, but they will also be able to access the product you are promoting. And if they do buy it, as you've seen, you stand to literally gain over $100 most of the time. In any case, when you paste your article in here, what you now need to do is save it to your PC, and you will want to move on to the third and final platform for today, the one that will actually get you traffic to your link. The platform in question is called slideshare.net. On this platform, you can share articles on various different topics, and as you can see, the most popular articles literally got millions of views. And if you come over to a site called similarweb.com, you will be able to see that over 130 million people visited this site in the past month alone. So it's a crazy popular website, and that can only be good for us because it means thousands of people at the very least will be able to see our article on here once we publish it. And here's the best part. The website doesn't require you to have any skills in article writing or whatever. You can literally be someone who's never written an article in your entire life, but you'll still be able to publish it on here. Speaking of, in order to publish your article, you'll need an account first. To create one, just click on Sign Up right here, and you will then want to head over to LinkedIn and create an account on there. When finished, you will click on Log In and log on to your new account. Once you do, you will now want to click on Upload here, then upload the file that you saved previously, enter the title, description, select the category, set this to public, add a few tags, and click on Publish, and that's literally all it takes. And you can do this, guys, for varying products in varying niches on multiple platforms. So you can promote several products from ClickBank and Digistore24, for example, and thousands of people will be able to see them. And some of them will click on that affiliate link and will buy the products. And as you've seen, you don't need too many people to do so in order to make a lot of money, all of which will be made in passive income. You just have to do this once, and you can do whatever you want to from there while making money in the process. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.